Hi everybody, in this video I will show you how to position a chart at an exact location which is perfect for large data sets with thousands of rows. These are my FTIR data. The first column contains wave number and other columns contains different compounds, and these are the percent transmittance value. The first column contains the X values for all these compounds. So I will show you how to position a chart at different parts of the sheet. The first thing, say we want to position our chart here. Then what we do is you go and select. To select, you can click here and then you can select like this. Another way of selecting is you go here and then you drag, and then this dragging is useful, particularly if you want a portion of the data. So let's focus the first way of selecting. We select this and then go to insert and then go to charts and then you go to scatter with the smooth lines. We can see our chart is right here. So now let's say we want the chart in somewhere in the middle of this sheet here like this. So if you want to drag that chart, it is very tedious and inefficient. So I can show you how to make chart here. So for that you need to deselect this. You deselect this and again select and then insert charts, scatter and then smooth line which your chart will be here. So let's say we want to put at the bottom of this sheet. Then again you deselect and then you can select this way or you can drag. I will show you the other way now. So you go to the top and then you select and drag. Drag and then go insert and then charts and then charts with smooth lines. You can see your chart is at the bottom. So I want to tell you that in this demonstration, I use Microsoft Excel 2019. So how do you find that in your Excel? Is go to your file and then go to your account and you can see product information about X. You can see here, or you can click this about Excel. You can find more information about this. And thank you for watching my video. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing. I will come with more interesting videos and see you in the next video.